What up, fam? Today we learn how to make these beautiful dragon eye cabochon. Stay tuned. For this build, I am using these 50mm 2-inch round glass cabochon. Link to these ones I used in the description below. Now as a colorant, I'm using a mix of nail polish and acrylic craft paint in black, red, orange, and gold. I start by painting in the pupil slit on the flat side of the cabochon with some black nail polish. Then I go back in with an awl and feather out the edges of that pupil, giving it a more natural look. Now, with a mostly dry brush, I feather in the black all along the edges to make this cool textured border. With that in place, I do the same thing with this deep red nail polish, continuing to add a bit more until it has the intensity that I'm looking for. Now here's where the real magic comes in. Using my awl, I scratch lines in the polish layer so far. This is gonna make it look like a realistic pupil and expose these lines to add more color too. So for my next layer of color, I decided to use this bright orange acrylic to add to my fiery scheme I have going on so far. And as you can see, this already makes this eye pop. But I think one more color would add to the mix nicely. So I'm again gonna scrape away some of these lines. But this time, I'm gonna use this flat carving blade. This will just vary up the shape of the scratch that I make and add a bit more interesting detail to the overall piece. So for the final paint, I'm using this metallic gold. My thought is with this, the eye will glisten and shine a bit more when it catches the light. And check that out, that looks amazing! One fiery dragon eye from scratch. In fact, I like that so much, I decided to do a second one in blue, purple, and green. And I love how these things came out. I can't believe how easy such a cool craft is. This is definitely one you're gonna wanna try. And there's no wrong way to do this. Make it however you want it to look. So have some fun, and as always, keep leveling up, you.